Have you ever felt lost or overwhelmed at networking events? You're far from alone in this. Many professionals grapple with a mix of desire and hesitation, viewing networking as a crucial but daunting aspect of professional growth. What if we could transform this uphill climb into a scenic journey? Today, we'll explore how embracing a connector's mindset can revolutionize the way you network. Common networking challenges, like awkward introductions and the struggle to remember names, are almost universal. Yet, overcoming these does not hinge on mastering small talk or memorizing business cards. Instead, it's about cultivating a positive mindset where the focus shifts from quantity to quality of connections, seeing networking as an avenue for building genuine relationships rather than mere transactions. As we delve into effective networking strategies, building professional relationships, and sharpening communication skills, keep in mind, your approach can change the game. With the connector's mindset, you're set to not just navigate but transcend networking challenges. In the heart of every successful networker beats the connector's mindset. This isn't merely about exchanging business cards, it's about forging lasting, meaningful relationships to spark innovation, foster collaboration, and drive career progress. To master this mindset, envision yourself building a bridge of empathy, genuineness, and a sincere desire to support others' success, reaching out to a world brimming with opportunities. Strategically, engage as a resource in networking scenarios rather than a seeker. Share your knowledge and network generously with no immediate expectations. Beyond attending diverse events, focus on meaningful conversations, listening intently to understand others' needs and exploring ways to add value. Enhancing communication skills is crucial, not aiming for eloquence, but for authenticity, clarity, and thoughtfulness. Prioritize open-ended questions, active listening, and purposeful follow-ups. As we explore these strategies, we prepare to witness the transformative power of truly embodying the connector's mindset. Navigating the networking landscape, we've confronted obstacles and embraced the connector's mindset. Now, we stand ready for transformation. Hear from individuals who've seamlessly woven the fabric of their professional lives through connection. Each story showcasing the tangible impact of networking on career growth. From architects linking ideas with innovation to entrepreneurs whose network is the backbone of their business, these success stories exemplify the connector's mindset in action. It's about turning strangers into allies, challenges into opportunities, and propelling professional growth through genuine connections. As we conclude, let these narratives inspire you towards not just forming acquaintances, but building meaningful, enduring connections. Embrace the connector's mindset and witness how it opens doors to new possibilities. Your journey in networking effectively begins with belief in the strength of connections. There's no better time to start than now.